Hey, what is going on guys? I'm Dave from Tech Android. So a couple of days before I uploaded a video tutorial on how to flash EUI 5.9.20s on your le2. So from then, some of you have been asking to make a feature focused video on the same ROM. So this is it. So starting with the home screen, the status bar has been completely revamped. The clock has been moved to the middle of the status bar, and even the network and the Wi-Fi icons have undergone a slight change. So moving on, now you have a built-in theme store from where you can download a number of variety of themes. So in this version of EUI, you are not stuck with some preloaded handful of themes, but rather you have access to a pretty good amount of themes online. So the same applies for the wallpapers. You have plenty of wallpapers to download from the online store, and the same applies for the fonts. You can also download fonts from the online store. But one thing about the fonts is, as of when I am recording this video, the font store is not working. That is, every time I try to launch the fonts online store, it just simply crashes. If you dig through the display settings, you will find something known as eye protection mode. This is nothing but the same as the stock Android's night mode. It applies a yellow hue to the display, which kind of helps in reading articles or ebooks in the dark. So moving further in the display settings, you will find something known as the scale view. Yeah, scale view. It has been in every single EUI version, so why am I talking about it in this video? So in the previous EUI version, if you root your le2 smartphone, the scale view by default will be stuck at zoom. You cannot get back to standard if your device is rooted. But in this version of EUI, even if you are rooted, you can get back to standard mode. So moving further, we have something known as the le2 shutter. So this is like a quick launch shortcut for the camera application. So you get to assign a specific fingerprint, and if you unlock the smartphone with that specific fingerprint from the lock screen, instead of unlocking into the home screen, it will unlock directly into the camera application. But this does not work in the home screen, or if you have unlocked the smartphone and you are using some application, it works only from the lock screen. And next we have fingerprint navigation. So as the name implies, this setting allows you to navigate through the user interface using the fingerprint. You can perform gestures like slide up, slide down, slide left, slide right, tap or double tap. By default, it is set that if you slide down, it launches the notification panel. If you slide up, you can set it like the control center, tap to go back, and double tap to lock the screen. So that is fingerprint navigation. So moving further, in the battery settings, we have two new power saving modes, namely the smart and the ultra mode. But I haven't used them, so I cannot comment on it, but they are there. So under the accessibility settings, we have something known as the intelligent assistant. This is a small floating button sort of thing which you can enable and use it to perform gestures like swipe down to pull down notification, swipe up to pull down control center, and swipe left to go back, swipe right to lock screen, things like that. And you can also tap on it to perform another set of actions like locking the screen, taking a screenshot, and stuff like that. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, hit the like button. For more videos, hit the subscribe button, and do let your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you on the next one. See ya.